Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one.
Okay, do you want me to explain this question? I can explain it now.
Yeah.
I was a little flustered. Last. Okay. Okay.
Thanks, guys. Sorry.
Look who's back.
Woohoo.
It's all good.
All
We're still
right.
in
So did you guys figure out anything more about it? I think I know what it is.
All right.
Nicole's sister helped us out.
Wait, so what did you guys get?
Well, we're still doing it.
So for the
Okay.
standard deviation, she told us to take the 2.52 and minus it from the 1.59.
You do it, and I'll just watch.
Okay. So you
And then
do
divide it by
2.52 minus 1.59. But because it's two spaces in, that's only half of what you're finding. So then whatever this answer, which is 0.93, you divide by 2. So that's going to give you this one. And that's going to equal 0.465. Now that's not your mean. That's just what you're going to subtract from this one. Does that make sense?
Because that's the distance from the mean.
Because that's the that's your distance right there. So then you're going to go 2.52 minus 0.465. And that's going to get you your mean. And then from there, because this is in between them, you're going to divide 0.465 by 2. Because now you're dividing that in half. Does that make sense?
Oh, what if we wanted to find that?
Because that's how you need to find standard deviation, is you need to find all of these, because then you'll be able to find the distance between them.
Oh.
Does that make more sense?
Yes.
Okay. So that's all you have to do.
Okay. Okay. Do you guys want me to talk to you? Okay. What?
I said, hit us with it.
Okay, so the way Megan said she did it was you take 2.52 and take away 1.59, and you'll get 0.93, and you'll divide that by 2, which gets you 0.465. And she said that gets you... What?
Why did she divide it by 2?
Because it's two parts away from the center, right?
So up at the top it says if it's more than 2 standard deviations.
So no matter what, it's going to be 2.
If it's more than 2, do what?
I was just saying at the top of the answer it says if it is more than 2 standard deviations away. So she get the 2 from the 2 standard deviations away from the mean.
Deviations away.
Can you come explain it? Because I still don't quite understand.
I'm getting it.
Yeah. So I don't know if maybe you want to show them your artwork.
Okay.
And then just like point to it. Drop bigger. Like this. Okay. So that's your thing, right? Wow, I threw that really badly. Okay. If this is your mean, you're looking for something that's 2 standard deviations away. So 1, 2.
Right.
1, 2. 1.59, 2.52. So you subtract those 2. That gets you 0.93. But that's not really, that just gets you a number in between. That doesn't really get you to that middle point. Does that make sense?
So what I did to solve it is I just put the equations equal to each other.
Because it's 2 standard deviations away, okay? So that gets you 0.465. So now you take 0.465 and subtract that from this. And because it's 2 standard deviations, this answer is going to get you the mean, which is right in the middle. Or you can add that to 0.465, and that answer will get you the same answer. So that's your mean.
What answer
Okay,
did
so
you
then
get from
from there, because you're trying to, now you're going to
I don't
split,
have an answer yet.
now you're going to split this number in half.
$2.055.
I got 1.92 for the mean.
Okay.
Is this for the mean?
You have to go
Yes.
halvesies between that.
So
So you have to divide this in half. And that gets you point, I think it's 0.33. You have the calculator, don't you? Okay, what does that get you? 0.233. Okay, so that is your standard deviation. That, yeah. Is that the standard deviation?
no, that would get you this place.
No, that place would be like 2.33, not 0.233. Man, we're doing so good. You have all the right answers, you just don't know how to get it.
I think I know how to solve for it.
What's the standard deviation?
I don't.
Is that, okay. So that's the standard deviation for these 2 points. So that's the space between these two. Does that make sense? Oh. 0.465. Okay. So this is the standard deviation for these two spaces. Does that make sense? Because you've divided that in half.
Mhm.
So because that's the standard deviation, that's what all of these are going to be now, is 0.233. So that's your overall standard deviation.
Okay.
Does that make a lot more sense now that I've drawn it out a little bit?
Yeah. Okay. So the way Megan did it was she did 2.55 minus 1.59 equals 0.93, and then we divide by 2 because it's 2 standard deviations, which equals 0.456, which will give you the standard deviation for two standard deviations. So then you divide that by 2, which gives you 2.33, which is your standard deviation.
Okay. So now
And so that's the one standard deviation. So then you'll take the 2.52 and you'll subtract the 2 standard deviation from it, and that gets you your mean.
Okay.
and that's one of your questions.
So-
the other question is finding the mean.
So for your standard deviation, what final answer did you get?
2.055.
So I got, for my mean final was 2.055. For my standard deviation, I got 0.233.
Okay, so I got something else when I did it a different way, but we should be able to plug them into the equations, the 2 equations. So like plug in the mean where the u is and then do minus 2 times whatever equals to figure out like if it's right or not. Does that make
Okay.
sense? And to see
Yeah.
if see if it works for both equations.
Sorry, Megan, 1 sec.
Because if it works for both equations, then it should be correct, right?
So what did you get?
I got 0.165 for the standard deviation and 1.92 for the mean. But I need to check and see if mine are accurate because I don't know for sure.
Well, good thing we got 2 tries.
Mine added up to the correct numbers.
All right. Mine did for one, but not for the other. Did you try both equations?
Yes.
All right. Let's go with it then.
All right.
Okay.
I'm sick of this answer, so let's do it.
Okay, so the mean is 2.055.
Yep.
And then the standard deviation is 0.233.
Okay.
Okay, let's just go with it. It's good.
Yeah. I'm so over that one.
Okay, so what two measured nitrate concentrations do approximately 60% of the data lie? So if you can write out the 68, 95, 99.7 thing, we can find out.
Emily, welcome home. Did you go to Soda Vine?
No, I went to Great Scots.
Right.
We really needed bread.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I had to check my schedule. Also, this whole Brolers thing is a joke.
What?
I think it's the last one. 1.823 and 2.288.
Yep.
So like we get a discount, but it's only like $5 discount, no matter how much we
I'm so over this group quiz.
I'm like excited for that.
10
All right.
questions.
Oh, this is how the other tests are probably going to be too. How fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
What number are we on? 22 now?
Yep. These are last two questions. Good, done.
Okay. The admissions committee for most Masters of Business Administration programs requires a graduate management administration test as part of the application for new students. It has been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3 and a standard deviation of 120.54. The minimum GAMAT score requires for admission at the MACC program in the School of Accountancy at BYU is 500, but it is rare for a student's score to be less than 600 to be admitted. What is the probability that the randomly selected student will score above 542.3 at GAMAT?
All right, so these scores.
Do we need the applet for this one?
Yeah.
We're gonna need it.
Okay. Okay.
What'd y'all get for the Z-score?
Wait, what's the x in the equation? Is it 600 or is it 500? Oh, no, wait, it's 542. Okay, never mind.
542.3 is the mean.
Okay. So what's the probability a randomly selected student will score above the mean? So wait, is x 500 or 600 then?
X should. %. If the mean, no, the mean isn't the median.
Mm. Okay. If we do 500 as the x, then I found the z-score to be negative 0.35. When I did 600 as x, oh, I did it wrong. Never mind. Let me do the 600 again. When I did 600 as x, I got 0.4786.
So the only problem is on the first one, it doesn't say whether we use the 600 or the 500. It just says what's the probability of them scoring above the mean.
Yeah, I don't.
So would we use the 600?
Well, technically, it's anything above the mean, so it'd be like 542.31. Like it could be anything above the mean, right?
I'm thinking. So we just don't know what the x is.
Yeah. Well, the x is technically 542.3, but we can't calculate the z-score because it's just 0 divided by the other number, which is 0. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, because to find the z-score, you would take the 542 plus or 0.3 minus that from the mean, which is the same thing, and divide that by the standard deviation.
I wonder if there's like a rule that we're supposed to be following and we just don't remember.
Well, good grief.
The test is kicking our butt.
I know.
Should we just come back to it, I guess?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Okay, 23.
Okay, this one's better. It's the probability that a student will score below 600. What is it?
Yeah, so 600 is our x.
Yes. And the z-score for that is 0.47. How many decimals do you want me to go?
Let's do 3.
0.479.
So I got 0.316.
That's what I got.
So, just okay.
And then 24 says, what is the probability that the randomly selected student will score 600 or above? So you highlight the middle and the above part.
I think on the last one that we were supposed to highlight the middle and the one on the bottom.
What are you saying?
The z-score was positive, so we're supposed to highlight the middle one and then the bottom one as well.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So I think it's
Yeah.
0.684.
I think you're right.
And then the other one is above just the one on the very right hand corner. So 0.316. Does that sound right to you guys?
Yeah.
Wait, we said for above it was 0.316?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sweet. That's what I got too.
Beautiful. This test. I'm thinking math. Okay. Find the GMAT score that corresponds with the 10th percentile. We need to go and figure out what points area. And then use the z-score to solve for x, right?
Say it again.
So we put, in the area, we put 0.1, and then we find the z-score, so it's like the negative 1.282. And then we put that in the equation and solve for x.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I believe that's how we do it.
Okay, I got 387.76772.
I got the same thing.
Okay.
So if we round
And
it,
how come you chose?
sorry, what was that?
Yeah. I was just saying, why did you choose the negative z-score instead of the positive? Just so I know.
Because it was the 10th percentile. So
Oh, okay.
the other one would be the 90th percentile, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
So
that
you
makes sense.
highlight the on like left corner, and then I put
Right.
0.1, and then hit enter, and so that was like the 10th percentile.
I see what you're saying. Yeah. Perfect. And round to the
So
whole
then for the next, yeah.
388. Yeah.
Then we'll use the positive one for the next question since it's the 90th percentile.
Hmm.
How did you find that again? Walk me through it. I'm lost.
Sorry, how do we find what? Which part?
So for you getting the 90th percentile, how are you doing it?
The last two sections, and then I plugged in 0.9. In the area portion of the normal probability app, and then I looked at the z-score on the right because it's like cutting off the highlighted part, and so the z-score is 1.282. Does that make sense?
Yep.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, and then we just plugged it into the z-score equation and solved for x.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What'd y'all get?
Uh, second. 698.
I got 697. Oh no.
Maybe I rounded when I wasn't supposed to.
Wait, no, I got the answer in my calculator is 696.8.
Let me redo that one more time.
696.8. Did you say repeat one more time or review one more time?
No, I'm gonna do mine real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna do mine too.
Alright. Okay, I got your answer.
Okay.
I plugged into my calculator wrong.
Test you. Do you know what's going on? Test.
Oh,
Tess must have died.
Oh man,
We lost one.
we're struggling
Again?
tonight.
Guys, we are so close.
We're almost there, but so far.
I hope
Oh.
that we get this right because we've been working on this for like 2 hours.
Well, if we
Yeah.
don't get it right, then we're just going to have to do it tomorrow because I am done with math for the night.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay, so first quartile one now. So I'm gonna put 0.25 in the area and see what the z-score is.
Okay.
So the z-score I got is negative 0.674.
Okay, I got that too.
Sweet, so then we just plug it into the same equation.
Welcome back.
Hey! Sorry, my phone just dropped me. Okay.
You like quit moving and quit making sounds.
I know.
And
And then, like everything got quiet, and then it just got black. I'm like, shoot. So, what did you guys get for 26? Have you guys figured that one out?
697.
And do you know how we got that?
Yes, I followed it pretty much, I believe.
You're plugging this into the z-score equation, right? Just so I know we're all doing the same equation.
Yes.
Just wanted to make sure I was on the right page.
Oh my gosh, my internet is struggling.
My brain is struggling.
Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock there, right? No, it's
It's 9
8
o'clock.
o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, what are we on? Which one are we on?
27.
27. Great.
Times. Okay.
What'd you get?
I got 461.
Yep, me too.
Sweet.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Take your
And
word.
then the next z-score will be the positive 0.674.
Yeah. You guys have been on hold for the school before, right? This is random.
Been on hold.
Yeah, like you call the phone or call the school and they put you on hold and they play their music.
Oh,
Yeah.
So I can kind of hear one of you guys has classical music or church music or something in the background. And it just kind of sounds like the hold music for BYUI.
Probably my roommate's Indian music.
So my little sister's playing the piano.
Oh, maybe
Oh, that might
that's
be
it.
it.
that might be it.
Piano. She's playing a hymn right now.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
All right, I got 623, 24 if I round.
I ditto.
Sweet. Oh, we're so close, except for that
Oh.
22.
Oh my gosh. I have no idea.
Okay. Consider a simple random sample of n equals 15 students taking the gamut. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples?
So the mean would be the same, right?
Yes.
It's the standard deviation that changes, so 542.3.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
The
And then we
542.3.
have to do, yeah.
What's the standard
for the-
deviation?
We do the 120.54 divided by the square root of 15.
15. Yes. And what'd you get for that?
31.123.
Okay.
Let me verify real quick.
31.
Yeah, I don't know if that sounds weird.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Okay, perfect. So 31.123.
We're almost there.
So close.
Okay, what's the probability that the sample mean of the GMAT score of 15 students will be greater than 600? I have two questions.
Okay, so 600 minus
The mean.
542.3 divided by 31. Sorry, Z score is 1.853.
Said 1.853.
Does that sound right to you guys?
One sec, I did it wrong, so I had to start over.
I believe you.
At this point, I'm like, oh my goodness.
I'll just take it.
So what'd you get for the probability?
0.32.
Zero 0.32 or is it 0.032?
Oh, sorry, 0.032.
Yeah, I was gonna say because that's what I got, but I didn't know if I. All right, 22.
0.32?
0.032.
Sorry, I forgot the 0.
0.032. Okay. Perfect. All right.
I have no
Question 22.
Yeah.
I got nothing for that one, guys.
Oh gosh.
What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above for 542.3?
I say I don't even know.
I
50%
mean,
says 5.423 is the middle.
yeah, so I have no idea how to do
What's
it.
the chance of them scoring above that? It's 50%.
Well, that's the mean, not the. So it's the mean, not the median. Does that make sense?
Well, you just had to go and complicate things.
I know. I don't know how to solve this one now. Well, it's a good thing we didn't try taking this test this morning because that would have never happened.
Yeah, right.
Oh man. I have no idea what to do.
Well, what if we just plug it in? What do we get? So if we get 542.3 minus 542.3
Is 0
minus that
divided
divided by 120.54, what does that equal?
0. So I guess do we plug 0
probability-
in the z-score?
Give it a shot. See what comes up.
Oh, it's 50. So try 50. I don't know what else to put, so might as well.
50?
50.
Okay, we're putting 50.
Anyone object?
No.
Let's go for it then.
Submit it.
All right. Should we submit then?
Just submitted mine, so
We said the answer was 50.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was
Dang
thinking.
it. We got it wrong.
We did.
Not 50.
Gosh.
Did we get any other ones wrong?
We got number 33 or 13 wrong, sorry. Which is what quantity is equal to the
No.
sum of the numbers of the standard deviation column, and we put the variance.
Almost wrong.
And then we got number,
Wait, I got 3 wrong. Did you guys get 3 wrong?
I got 3 and like a 67th percent wrong.
Yeah, I got
92.48% at the end.
You got 92%?
Yeah.
How many
What
did you
did you get?
miss?
I don't know.
what?
Where did you say
I
that?
got 89%.
No, I got
That means you missed
89%
one more
too.
than I did. I don't know how that's possible.
How many did it say? So does it say you got 28 out of 31 right?
Says I got 28.67 out of 31 right, yeah.
What? I got 27.67.
I didn't even
I
have that.
got
What'd you get, Tess?
I got 26.67.
What?
I know.
Yes.
I'm not sure how that happened.
Okay, well, me and Nicole are more right than all of y'all because we got the same.
Obviously.
Shoot.
Okay.
Which ones did you get wrong?
I only got the 2 that you said wrong.
Which one? What's question 2 and 3? What answers are those ones? Because those are the 2 that I got wrong.
Wait,
Right,
number 2
maybe-
and number 3?
Yeah. So 2, I got like 67% out of 1.67 out of 1. Yeah. I think maybe the age of years is wrong.
I got number 3 right.
What'd you
What'd
get
you
for 3?
100 is the parameter and 112 is the statistic.
What did you get for number 2?
Number 2, I got 0.67, so I missed one of them too.
Okay, so. And then what did you get for number? Okay, we all missed number 22 because we're idiots and we're all tired.
Number 13, I got wrong too.
But did you miss number 13 as well?
Yeah.
Wait, did we decide what 2 was? The right answer for 2?
Yeah.
Number,
Is it
I
just
think
the
it's just a random.
toothpaste? You think it's just
So
what?
when you're talking about a parameter, it's talking about the whole group. So the United States is the whole group, so the population, so it's 100. And then if you're talking about
A statistic.
yeah, it's the sample one.
Okay, so I get that one now. But what about number 2? Which did we decide was the right one?
Oh, just kidding. I'm looking at the wrong part.
But thank you. I needed that too. I needed that one.
Okay. Probably, wait, so we selected a randomly selected brand of toothpaste and the age of years.
Yep.
Maybe it is just the randomly selected toothpaste.
That's
I
what
don't
I
know.
think too.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
And then what about number 13?
I think none, because it's not the standard deviation.
The quadrant. What quadrant is equal to the sum of numbers in this? Yeah, I think it's none.
Okay.
I don't know how to fix number 22 though.
Neither do I, so I'm just gonna leave that one. I don't even care. I mean, I really do care, but I don't know even where to start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On question 30, what did you guys put? I must have entered it in wrong.
31.213.
No,
Okay.
0.123. 31.123.
Okay, I just did 31.1, so there we go.
Well, there you go.
Okay, well, I think we've gone over everything. We all get one more try. Do we want to just do it on our own since we reviewed everything?
I
Yeah,
think
sounds
so.
good to me.
Okay, so talk to you guys on Thursday.
Yeah, at 8, does 8 work for you guys?
8?
Are we gonna do it in the morning again?
Yeah, she wants me to come every Thursday.
Well, that's great.
Unless you guys
So do we want to do?
days, are you guys more available on a different day?
I mean, I don't have.
available.
Yeah, I don't have anything else going on at 8. So
Up to you
I'm
guys.
fine with that.
yeah, we could do it.
8 o'clock. Sound okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, perfect. Thanks, guys. You rock.
All right. Are we doing both URLs for the collaboration?
Yeah, I'll send them to you.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, do
Thank
it.
you. See
Bye.
you guys
Okay.
Thursday.
Bye, guys.